Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Janelle. So it's a new week. Today is a Monday, October 30, and I'm doing a week in my life, just a mini week in my life, nothing too crazy. Today's Monday. I have a lot of work to do. I've been working so hard since Thursday. It's like, who am I? Today's the day that my dad comes home from his long awaited trip, almost 6 months trip. So I have a lot of tweaks to do and stuff. Anyways, I'm crazy because I have 4 YouTube videos that are not up yet, and I'm here starting another vlog. Like, are you okay up here? I already edited 1. I have 3 unedited. Plus this, it's like 5 videos. This is the most work I've ever done for YouTube. 5 videos in 5 videos in like 1 week. Who am I? Anyways, it's the early AM. I got up, I got ready, I fixed myself. Now I'm just gonna have a little breakfast. I was gonna make some tea, but I'm like too lazy, so I'm just gonna have a muffin to eat and like to start my day. Maybe I'll have tea later down, but I don't think I have time because right now as we speak my dad is in the airplane. So I'm having my little cake right now in bed, but I watched YouTube and then I will get on with the day. God, guys, there was just an earthquake. I was on the bed right here and I just felt the shaking. There was an earthquake. Oh my God. If you feel my heart, it's beating so fast. It was so bad. I was like, oh my God. Like, the effect of the earthquake stopped the fan for a quick second from working. Like, I'm not even joking. It was so bad. I had to run under the table and just started praying and asking God for forgiveness, because you never know what can happen in an earthquake. So the safest thing to do is go under a table or a door job and a doorpost. And I just started praying, asking forgiveness. I look at my eyes, just so bad. And it just stopped, and all my neighbors that are on, we just congregated outside and asking each other about it. Like, one of my neighbors said he didn't feel it because he just drove in. My other neighbor said he just stepped out of the shower. It was so bad. Oh my God, I have to call my mom and my grandma. I was most definitely having a sneeze attack. We talk about all the times there was an earthquake. I'm home alone. Like, what is that about? What is that about? Why do I have to be home alone every single time? But the birds are chirping. It's almost 12. And I'm going to start my little cleaning activities now. I don't know if it's my allergies or whatever, but I'm having a sneeze attack. I'm on the bed. So now I'm gonna sweep my walls, just so it can be clean.
I fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You denied everything. I cannot fuck with you, baby, you right. You are not for me, goodbye. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me. You ain't shit to me. Shit to me, you denied everything. I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself, is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes around comes around, that's what I always say. Cause I just got off the phone with the girl who loves you too. Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made me feel the same way. What goes
Rebel? How are you doing?
What's up?
Hello. Hello guys, I'm back from my travels.
What did you bring for me?
Nothing. So the next day I just stayed in bed and watched YouTube, and I journal and write my to-do list for the entire day and checked off. I didn't do much vlogging. I was just chilling, and why I'm doing a voiceover is because I don't get copyrighted, because songs were playing while I was journaling to like build a vibe. Hey guys, so today we're going on a little road trip. It's a long one, and I'm taking you guys with me. Today's Thursday. It's about 7 a.m. We're about to go on the road right now and start our little journey. I just want to bring you guys with me. I just want to open the vlog now. I got ready, I did my hair, put on a little lipstick. So yeah, so you guys are coming along with me today. It is so bleaky outside today. It is so bleaky outside today. It's like it's gonna rain. I don't know, but it's gonna be a good road trip. I packed my water and I'm gonna pack my snacks right now. So I'll see you guys when we're on the road. Look at my shadow. Yep. Just got to the bank and I'm just sitting and waiting on my parents to be finished. Morning, can I have 2, please? Yeah. No.
Said you're working on yourself. Is she helping with that too? You gave her the time of day. You told her that you would stay. You made
the lighting here is crazy, but look at this sea. It's so pretty. But now we're waiting to be seated. We just ordered, and I'll tell you guys more about it when I am seated. Okay, so outfit, nice dress with my shades, and now I'm gonna drink my soup. It's really hot. It's now 11:58 a.m. and it's very cool. here on the beach side. I love it. And I have my own table, and they have their own table. So I'm really excited. This soup is so good. Like every time we come here, we get like 2 cups of soup each, or 3, because it's really good. And it's complimentary. And this is my parents' favorite restaurant. Shares to be given in this restaurant, they would need to be the highest shareholder because they love it here. I always show them that like this is the only place they like, out of the entire country. This is the only place they like. Like grow up, but I like it here too. I hope you guys are hearing me because the wind is really windy and it's breezy up here because we're up top on the stairs side. So yeah, I've been talking for 1 minute straight without it being recorded. That's just so embarrassing. I don't even remember what I was saying, but we're still waiting. Oh my gosh, this is so cute. Guys, we're doing glasses battle. Who has the best glasses? I do. I do have the best glasses. Show me. Let me try these out. They're the same color. I look like a spy. I don't like it. I look like a spy. We're doing battle of the glasses. Same color. This is better. I like this more. Look at him out there. It is so rough. And he's out there. It's way far. Oh my god, it is so strong. This is my food. My food is here. And this is a seafood bowl. Because I don't like fish. It's a seafood bowl. So this is my seafood bowl, and we have lobster, we have crab, we have franks, we have shrimp, and we have different seasoning. They didn't give me any corn though, and they advertise that. I'm always tricking myself that I'm recording when I'm not. For the franks. The shrimp. I think I reached the limit because I already ate before I came, And it's just a lot. It's too big. It's too much. It's just too much. Supposed to have my belly is too full. My belly is like too full. I'm really stressed it. What time is it? It's now 1:06 and I'm ready to go home. So after I digest, and we have some other things over there on the other table to eat, but I don't want it yet, really, because it's so windy. The sea is like so rough. The ocean is so rough. It is so pretty here. I love it here. Just the natural breeze, just the atmosphere. It just really feels good to be outside, like outside. You just chill. It's like a stress reliever. And just to like watch the waves, it feels good. It's so pretty. Like, the only thing I wish I did was to bring my journal and like just write in my journal and just look at this beautiful view. Like, it's just so breathtaking. I just feel so at peace, like rejuvenated. I just feel fresh. I just feel different here. All my stress, everything. It just feels so good. And I love it. And I love seeing all the people. They're just walking in the sun. We're just living life. I wonder if I would enjoy living here. I don't know. Maybe I'll get sick of it after a while, but it just feels so good. Okay, so I'm leaving now. We're leaving, and my entire food is draining out. And my hair is crazy from the breeze. Look at this. So pretty. I'm told it's draining heavily. I'm just tired. Everything is leaking. So, I'm back off my road trip and I'm tired. I'm tired as hell. My feet hurt. I just want to shower and go into bed and sleep. When I was back on my way in the car, I was nodding. I wanted to sleep so bad. I don't think you guys are gonna see me again for the rest of the day, because as soon as I make it inside, I just want to sleep, honestly. This hair is messy as hell. I just want to sleep. Hey guys, so it's the next day. Today's Friday. It is now 12:29. I'm sorry I'm updating you guys so late. It's just that I've been running around since morning. Like, I got up so early. I did some laundry and then I got ready and I came into town. to go to my appointment. I just left my appointment. It was very successful, and now I'm back again. And I think I want to go get something to eat. Like, it's now lunchtime. It's lunchtime hours, and I haven't had anything. Oh, that's a lie. I was about to say I didn't have anything since morning. That's a big fat lie. I did have some food this morning for my breakfast, some leftovers. I warmed that up. I ate it down so quick, but I kind of want to go get something from KFC, to eat a bowl from KFC. But if I want to go get that bowl, I think the best time to go is now, before 2, because it will be full. Like, KFC will be jam-packed in the next 2 hours or so, or 1 hour. I don't even know. It will be jam-packed soon. So if I want to go, the best time is now to go. Can we debrief about yesterday? I had so much fun. It was so good. It was just so good to go out and just feel the fresh air in my face, that just hitting me in my face, and just having fun and spending quality time with people that care about you and that you should care about. So I had fun. I think I'm really gonna get that bowl. My stomach is hungry. I'm hungry, and I cannot wait for my mom to come, because I know her. She's not gonna go. And she said she's not cooking for me tonight, so this better be my dinner. So I better go get it before rush hour. I think I'm just gonna go now. I'll see you guys. Okay, so now I'm walking to go buy some food, and it is now 1:28. And I'm going to get some food. So let's go. I can't wait to eat. My belly is like so hungry. I'm like, sorry for this lighting if it's bad, but good afternoon. Can I get a sandwich, please? Hey guys, so I just got back. I didn't get my bowl. That didn't go as planned because it was already full, and I was not about still be in that line, because I know that if I joined that line, I would pretty much still be in that line now without getting my food. So I went to another place and I just got a burger. You know, maybe this will be better than the bowl. Maybe my belly will be more full than the bowl. And I got this really big juice, so maybe that's just better. This is gonna fall. Just gonna put you guys there. So I got my fries. I got a really big, juicy chicken chili chicken sandwich. Yeah, I got a chili chicken sandwich. Wait, am I hearing myself right now? Why is it so hard? I got a chili chicken sandwich. Oh my god. I had fries yesterday. I had a lot of fries and wedge yesterday, so I didn't really want fries. I was just craving a bowl, but sweetie, not looking too promising. Turn into an eating vlog, a mukbang, because that's all I've been doing since Monday. Monday I showed you guys my muffin. I didn't vlog Tuesday, I didn't vlog Wednesday. Thursday was a whole feast of eating, and now Friday, it's more eating. Like, I'm about to put mukbang in the title. Funniest thing, I almost got shocked with my life a while ago. I looked to make sure it was recording, because yesterday, the amount of clips you guys could have got yesterday, if I would just make sure that it's recording before I start yapping away. Like I'm telling you, I'm talking for like 5 minutes straight, and then I realized it's not recording. I was like, I don't even remember what I said. I'm not continuing over. I messed myself up. Why do I keep on messing myself up? much fun. I went out yesterday, which was Saturday. I didn't vlog that much because it was an off day with me. I was supposed to go today, but I woke up feeling tired, so I didn't. I just stayed home. And now I'm closing up this vlog on Sunday, October 5th, November 5th. I'm sorry. And I had so much fun doing this vlog. So I hope you guys enjoy. Please remember to subscribe, like this video, comment down below, and tell me what other videos you want to see on my channel. I had so much fun. This is my new favorite video.